Dear students, how are you? I hope you all are well. You people are doing hard work and sending to us, but it's very difficult to recognize. Whatever you are sending, we are checking, but we don't know your name, your class, your section properly. In this way, we are not able to make your record properly. And during check, teachers are getting frustrations, and that time it may be they will make your wrong record, or it may be they will put wrong name or sections. In this way, your hard work which you have done in your notebooks to complete notebooks, that will be not recognized properly by the teachers. A better now, ma'am, principal ma'am have decided to conduct a test, as almost all subject teachers has given you proper time to complete notebooks, but still you people are not able to complete your notebooks on time. So in these days, you must complete your work, and then side by side you must do learning, as videos are given by the teachers that must be you seen by you repeatedly, otherwise you will not do learning proper. Some students are making record of the completion of notebook in a video. That time when they are making record of in the video, they are not showing us their name, and their contact number is saved by their parents. So that time your work we got, but your name we don't have properly. Sometimes students are sending only the pics of the chapters, but still they are not sending name and sections. And sometimes page numbering is not there. Due to that, teachers are not getting that how much work you have completed. So to remove this kind of problem, what should do? I'm sending you how to send your information. First of all, you must write your name, then class section. After that, which subject you have done, that from this subject how much work you have completed, how much work is left, and up to what time this work you will complete. In this way, to your subject teacher or in charge, you submit your work and promise to teacher that up to that time you will complete it. Otherwise, what is happening, you people are not showing your work if little work is pending, and you are just hesitating that it may be ma'am will not give you proper marks, or it may be she will scold, or what will happen, I don't know. Yes, you have fear, but beta, you have to tell us that how much work has completed and how much work is left, so that at least we will start making record, and we will help you. If somewhere you have problem, then you can share us, then only problem solution will be there now. Betaji, now I am telling you by giving one example. First of all, first page information recording you must do. After that, you will show that whatever work is there, and your speed little should be fast, because you are taking a lot of time. Then what is there you will show side by side, and in fastly you will show. Then teachers will get idea, because teachers has to check a lot of work. You people have at least 50-60 pages, and then to check one video they have to take at least 2-3 minutes, and that time period is so much long. In this way, fastly you will make a record, like I am telling you, and the all work should be come in this. Now it's over. After this, when you are submitting to teacher, you must tell that madam, I have done 1 2 3 chapters of science, and 2 chapter left. That left work I will complete up to Monday or up to Wednesday. You can tell that date and time, so that we will make record that how much work you have done. And what is going on these days, that make you people to your parents, as you are full day taking mobile and laptop and sitting there. When your parents are sitting with you, or it may be their presence is there with you, that time you are just only you are showing that you are doing work, but you are far away from the studies. what you are doing, you are anywhere but in front of laptop and mobile, and you are not doing work in a speed, because whenever your parents are not there, then you will open any other folder. It may be beside the songs also you are listening, and you are trying to play the games also during that time if parents are not there. In this way you are using mobiles and internet and laptops for a long duration. That is not good for your health. So parent, I am requesting from parents also, the parents must be aware about this.